So I've just got the new Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and it appears that my camera unit has a defect. So this is ultra wide. Let's go 1x. Let's go 2x. Let's go 4x. And you see that little blotch there by the building? Here I have a blotch on my camera unit, and it's focusing on the blotch. Let's go 4x again. We see the blotch is back. 10x. 30x. Oof. Wow. That's the 100 space zoom. It's a bit shaky. But we have confirmed that I have a defect here at 4x. Okay. Wide shot 0.5. 1x. 2x. 4x. 10x. 30x. Still looks okay, but 100x. Lots of micro vibration. Focus. We did a lot more camera tests once our defective Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra was replaced, so please subscribe to stay tuned to watch that episode. And if there's any particular test that you would like us to do, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. Stabilization test number something.
Oh, we don't know.
We don't know.
Let's go.
And if you have enjoyed this video, please leave us a thumbs up. And finally, we would like to say thank you to Samsung by Aerophone for making the swap of our defective unit so quickly and seamlessly. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.